Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by closing Opera fully and removing leftover processes. This clears sticky state that breaks the VPN. Once done, make sure your system clock and date are accurate because certificate checks rely on time. Next, confirm your network is stable and disconnect any other VPN or proxy that could conflict. These steps remove the common environmental causes so the browser can reinitialize the built-in VPN cleanly. They're quick but crucial before deeper fixes. Now you'll reset Opera's VPN elements. Clear cache and site data tied to VPN endpoints to remove corrupted files. Then open Settings and toggle the VPN off and back on to force a fresh handshake with Opera's servers. If the VPN remains unavailable, relaunch Opera with extensions disabled to rule out extension interference. Extensions often inject headers or network hooks that block the built-in VPN. This sequence rebuilds the VPN connection. To finish, perform an advanced reset. Create a new Opera profile or reinstall the browser to restore default VPN settings. This removes persistent corruption. Next, flush your OS DNS cache to eliminate stale host records. Run ipconfig/flushtons on Windows or the equivalent on Mac OS/Linux, because DNS issues can make the VPN appear down. Finally, test with a different network or mobile hotspot to detect ISP blocking. If you still see problems, one key troubleshooting tip: capture error messages and try reinstalling after a clean profile. That often resolves hidden configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.